Hello, so this is a demonstration video for Enhancement 4. So just to start out here, I have my vehicle management page. Like I can click the different links and it'll take me to the different pages that I need. To run it through Wave, it works there just fine. I validate CSS. No errors there. I validate HTML. There will also be no errors. Cool. And then mobile view. Pretty simple. Nothing too crazy. So let's head to the add classifications first. So here we should be able to enter something into the database and have it appear here, obviously, as you know. So if I have an apple, then it does that there. But then if I try and submit something, it'll still bring it back to the page and still have that error message. So now let's go back here. Just to show here, the wave, that's fine. And then let's validate the CSS. And since it's the same CSS file, that will work. Validate HTML, it still works. Head to CSS. I have like my fonts and CSS file being brought in. And then we can check how it is in mobile and things. Cool. So now let's head back. Now let's head to the add vehicles one. So here, like if I were to not fill it in all the way, it'll bring it back to the page again. If I were to fill it in all the way, so I can just fill it in, this is like random, just garbage. So it went through, there's no error message, everything works. And we can just double check this by heading to the database here. We can see with the inventory table that it shows up there. And even though it was in the classification, we can see that Apple is there as well. Cool. So let's head back to the vehicle page now. And then we'll finish up where we have the wave. Everything checks out there. Continue. And then we can view our CSS while we're here. Still nothing has changed. We'll validate CSS again. Still good. We'll validate HTML. Yep, everything checks out there. And the last thing to check here is responsiveness. But yep, so that is a demonstration video for Enhancement 4.